Guys, my two YouTube channels have been demonetized, and I'm going to explain to you why. What is the reason? And the reason is not about reused content, and also not about me going against any YouTube partner program policies. Just make sure you watch this video till end, especially if you are a new creator, to save yourself and also your channel. Here is my two channels. This is the first channel with 5.4k plus subscribers, and this second one has 24k plus subscribers. So the first one with 5.4k subscribers got demonetized first. Recently, this particular one with 24k plus subscribers also got demonetized. So I'm going to be using that one for the teachings. But did you know your channel can be demonetized when you stop uploading or posting content on your channel for a period of time? But wait, there's more into that. I'm going to explain into details. It is not really about when you stop posting for some period of time, no. But before everything happened, I received a message, I received an email from YouTube. They gave me a 1 month notice. This is the email I received from YouTube on the 1st of May 2025, and it goes like this. Hi Ghana for Life, we noticed you haven't posted any content to your YouTube channel Ghana for Life for several months and have fallen below the eligibility criteria for YouTube partner program. So the whole issue, the whole problem is in these three lines: and have fallen below the eligibility criteria for YouTube partner program. So let's read everything. They say what? We know monetization is important to you as a creator, so we want to let you know that unless you meet the YPP eligibility, which is YouTube partner program eligibility threshold, in the next 30 days, like I stated, they gave me notice, 30 days notice, which is 1 month. Okay, we will disable monetization on Ghana for Life. After that, we will cancel your contract and you will need to reapply for the YPP. Okay, if you are not able to engage on the platform right now, we understand you can reapply for monetization when your channel meets YPP eligibility. Okay, YPP eligibility requirements again. Okay, if accepted, your access to monetization features and creator support will be reinstated. We recognize you may be taking a break and encourage you to take the time you need. This is funny, but that's true. They will never force you to create content. No, take the time you need. They don't care. Okay, during the next 30 days, you can still access creator support. If you have questions, when you are ready to start making content again, feel free to visit YouTube Creators to learn more about YouTube growing your channel and building your community. Sincerely, the YouTube team. Bam. So this is the message or email I received from YouTube team. Pay attention now. I'm going to break everything down. I'm going to open my channel so that we check to see what YouTube really means by my channel has fallen below the requirements of the YouTube partner program policies. Let's open my channel to see. Okay, this is my channel. Let me refresh it like this. All right, boom. So here is the dashboard. You could see here are my videos, everything. So now let's go to the analytics. So here is the channel analytics, and YouTube is saying my channel has fallen below the requirement. Let's see something here. When you come to the lifetime, let's check the lifetime analytics. The lifetime, I'm going to show you something. Okay guys, so this is the channel lifetime analytics. I have 2 million views, 127.4k watch time hours, and then 24.9k plus subscribers. So this is the channel lifetime analytics. Now let's go to the monetization. When you come to the monetization, we all know on YouTube, before you get monetized, you need these requirements. You need this requirement, which is 1,000 subscribers and one of the following, which is 4,000 watch time hours or 10 million valid public short views. Those are the requirements you need to get monetized. But note, they need only 4,000 watch time hours. But here I have 127.4k watch time hours. The question here is, or ask yourself, if my channel has 127.4k watch time hours and YouTube need only 4,000 watch time hours, why is it that my channel got demonetized? Now my channel active watch time hours is only 635. Ask yourself, where are the rest? Where's the rest of the watch time hours? I'm going to show you where the rest has gone to, or why my channel is now showing 635. Meanwhile, when you check my channel analytics, the lifetime, you could see that my channel has a lot of watch time hours, which is 127.4k watch time hours, which is even 10 times more than what YouTube requires or what YouTube needs to get you monetized, because they need only 4,000 watch time hours. But if you check here my channel lifetime, you could see that I have 127.4k. Now this is the main reason why this whole watch time hours disappeared. Let's check to see the analytics of 365 days. Okay, so when you come to 365 days, let's check. You could see that in 365 days my channel has only 1.1k watch time hours, only 1.11k watch time hours. This is how YouTube monetization policies works when it comes to watch time hours. Okay, let's say today is 13th June 2025 and your video or channel gains 1,000 watch time hours. In exactly 365 days or a year time, when a single day passes, those watch time are going to be expired or inactive for monetization. This is what it means. So this is what happens to my channel. But if you check 365 days, you could see that I have only 1.1k watch time hours. That means all these watch time hours in the lifetime has expired. They are more than 365 days, and any watch time hours which is outside the 365 days will be expired or will not be active for monetization. So that is basically what happens to my channel. Okay, so when you check my channel in the last 365 days, you could see that I have only 1.1k. So the channel has fallen below the requirement. Always YouTube want to see your channel having 4,000 watch time hours active. So this doesn't mean that when you stop posting, YouTube will demonetize your channel. No. There are some people I know, they don't post, but their video are getting more engagement. So for that matter, they get watch time hours. Always their watch time hours are active. You understand? So those channels, anytime YouTube find out that their channels falls below the requirements, they are going to get demonetized. So basically, it doesn't necessarily means when you stop posting or when you don't post, your channel will get demonetized, or no, it doesn't work like that. But anytime they find out that your channels falls below the requirement, that is when your channel is going to get demonetized. But they will first give you 1 month notice or 1 month to fix, either to start creating content to make sure you meet the requirements again to keep your channel safe or active, or they demonetize your channel. So that's what really happened. You can see the last video I posted or uploaded was in October 2024, and we are in June, not even up to a year. But there are some people, there are some channels, they don't upload for like a year, but their channels are still active. It is about engagement. When your videos are doing well, the more you get views, the more your watch time increases. So basically, if you don't post and your videos are doing well, you will still have your monetization active. Okay, I would have gotten more watch time hours that can keep my channel active, but because I wasn't consistent, that is one advice for me, myself, and any young creator out there. Just be consistent no matter what. Keep on pushing. Everything is going to be okay. YouTube don't play when it comes to monetization. Put in more work to keep your channel safe. So guys, that's the main reason why my channel got demonetized. In case you don't know about this, now you know. So anytime I gain the 4,000 again, I can reapply. So this is not about reuse content, which you have to wait like maybe 3 months or 90 days to fix the channel with a whole lot of stress. No, and there's no way when you are consistent or when you are posting videos, there's no way I think you can fall below this requirement. If you didn't understand something in this particular video, just drop your comment. If something is bothering you, you can also drop your comment. Thank you for watching. See you.